Stomp, clap is the name of the song, and the move. Now this is a double move. This one can go side to side like this, or it can go across the floor. So it moves. So everything will have to move at an angle like this. Boom, tap, clap, clap, just like that. But this is working on a double rhythm. So you got here and clap it at the same time. And the song is gonna start off slow. So first it'll be like stomp, clap, just like that. Stomp, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, just like that. But it's working on a couple things: stomping, clapping, staying on beat, keeping the rhythm, and levels, right? So you can take it down low, boom, or you keep it up high, stomp, clap, or step clap, same thing. So this is working those skills. So check it out. This is the stomp clap song. Like I said, it's the first of two that I wrote on this particular project that's meant for across the floor. So maybe you might want to do it twice, or maybe halfway through the first time, and just do it as a center floor drill. Just make sure that the students are following you and stomping, clapping side to side, and then you can line them up and have them start moving with it across the floor. So let's try the stomp clap with the...
Check it out, we're gonna go to the right first. Come on. Now stomp to the right, now clap. Come on. Now stomp to the left, now clap. Come on. Now stomp to the right, now clap. Now stomp to the left, now clap. Speed it up. Now stomp, clap, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, stomp, clap. Just stomp, clap, stomp, clap. Yeah, all across the floor. All across the floor. Clap, hey. Everybody do it like that. Just stomp, clap, yeah. I like the way you do it like that. All right, let's do it again. We're going across the floor. So we're gonna stomp down low, then clap your hands. Then clap your hands. It's gonna be our little groove song. I like start off slow. Then we're gonna pick it up. Here we go. Come on. I said stomp to the right, now clap. Yeah. Now stomp to the left, now clap. Come on. Now stomp to the right, now clap. Now stomp to the left, now clap. Speed it up. Go stomp, clap, stomp, clap, stomp, clap. Do it like that. Now stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap. Yeah, you did the stomp clap. Yeah, that's the way it goes. I like the way everybody flows. Mr. Chris, hoppers in the building. Yeah, get busy now. Stomp.